Hey guys, welcome back to Telugu One Fashion. So I am Yuktha here with another interesting video. Okay, so today's topic is my favorite lipsticks. So all the girls love lipsticks, right? Who doesn't love lipsticks? So I thought, why not we just share about lipsticks too. So let me first start with my favorite. Okay, so this is my favorite lipstick. So this is the Swiss Beauty. So this is a really different kind of lipstick. It looks transparent and it's a color changing lipstick as well. So I'm going to put it on my hand and I'll show you how this turns out. Can you guys see? So instantly it doesn't changes. The color doesn't changes instantly. It just takes time and slowly it just becomes dark pink. So it looks very like a transparent, a light pink. So it gives this glossy shine and it also acts like a lip balm. So this is like a very nice lipstick. So this is one. And I'm gonna pick up random ones, guys. I'll just pick up random ones. So this one is Lacme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color. This is, what is this? It's in shade 3 Vintage Pink. So it's not a perfect pink. I'm not a person who puts up pinky pink, you know, like this girl pink. It's a very nice vintage color and this goes on my skin also. So if you guys can see. So this one is also my favorite. So the next one, okay, next one is the red color. Okay, so this is the matte lipstick, Faces Canada. Okay, it's in the shade 5 Silent Stalker. So red color is something very basic, which all the girls have. It's very useful for any parties or, you know, traditional, maybe for few of the traditional outfit as well. So yeah, this is very dark and bold color. Okay, so the next one, yeah, this is the next one. This is Nika. Actually, this is also pink shade. This is also pink shade, which is almost similar. So yeah, it's almost similar. So I'm not gonna put it on my hand. So it's same, but only difference is this is Lacme and this is Nika. Again, this one is Nika. Which shade is this? This is also a kind of pink. It's a pinkish color. Yeah. It's a little more darker than the previous pink which I showed. So this is a shade of pink. So let me tell you, it's in number 19, shade 19, Veronica. It says Veronica. And the next one, next lipstick is MAC. Who doesn't love MAC? Everyone loves MAC. It's the best company that I've loved from years. So this is also a very beautiful color. It's a purplish, you know, dark purplish sort of color. Shade 106, Dark Side. So moving on to the next lipstick. So next one is my most favorite. It's a tint lipstick. Okay, it's a tint one, the Water Fit Tint X. It's from Face Shop. Yeah, this is actually really good, which gives very, you know, natural look. Ooh. This color looks actually very dark, but honestly, when you apply it on your lips, and it's a cheek tint as well, so you can use it as both. So it looks dark. Oh, sorry. Yeah. It looks dark because it's a tint I cannot like put it properly. Actually, you gotta smudge it. But yeah, it looks dark, but then it smudges really well. So this is one thing, it smudges really well. And as you can see, I've worn it, and if you can actually see my cheek, I put it a bit light, but if you guys can make it, yeah, I've applied on my lips, so it's really good. So the next one is, yeah, this is like you have 5 in 1. It's the Fab 5, Rene Fab 5 lipstick. So I think you all have come across this kind of lipstick. It is really handy for all the girls out there because you get 5 shades in 1. So instead of carrying many, you can just carry 1. So this is the lipstick. Okay, so moving on to the next one. Okay, this is from Color Bar, okay? This is from Color Bar. I've used it like so much. This is in the shade 18 Plump Pick. It's not pink, it's pick. Plump Pick. So it's a proper pinkish purplish shade. I'll just show you. It's a bright pinkish purple shade. I'm not a pink person honestly, but I would love to keep shades. You may never know when it's gonna come in handy. So this is one. Okay, so the last one, this is again from Color Bar. This is also from Color Bar. This is in the shade 4 Cherry Chick. This is Cherry Chick. It's a brown shade. Actually, I like brown shades, but not too like, you know, brownish, because for my skin tone, as I am a bit dusky, too much of brown also doesn't suit. So this actually goes on my skin. Yeah, this is actually really pretty color. So what else is there in my pouch? Okay guys, this is one thing that I found in my bag. This is not a lipstick but a lip product. It's a lip balm. So this is something very essential before you use all these lipstick products. I think prepping your lips with a lip moisturizer or a lip balm, whatever you can call it as, is very important. So don't forget about this. So this is it guys for today. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to Telugu One Fashion. Bye bye.